Hello, reading friends. It's me, Mrs. Davis, and you're here with me in the happy place to grow, where I'm trying to grow my new location. I'm here, but I'm not really set up, but I did want to touch bases with you because it is the month of April, and there's a lot going on. Of course, you can see my cute little bunny earrings. It's almost a holiday called Easter, and some people have celebrations at Easter time. They do some celebrating and reflecting with their religions and their churches. Some people love to think about new life, baby chicks, bunnies. There's lots of exciting things going on in the month of April. So I wanted to connect up with you and share some of my great videos from the past that are all April themed. I've got a snack of delicious pudding clouds because one thing that April is famous for is rain. Yeah, they say it's the rainy month. April showers bring May flowers. So you might want to check out my pudding cloud recipe. I'm going to link it to you. I've got some math videos. I've got some science with some rain. And, because it is all about the rain. That's a good question. What does cause the rain? Have you ever heard of the water cycle? Yeah, I'm going to link some really great videos that you can check out that all have to do with water or weather or rain, in addition to some really good Easter books. I definitely have a funny one where the old lady is reading. There was an old lady who swallowed a chick. That one's really funny. I'm going to link that. You're definitely going to check that out. You know how the old lady swallows things inappropriately? Definitely fiction. And she always ends up bringing everything back out into something new. So in this one, if it's April, it's close to the bunny holiday. And she's swallowing things that are, wonder what she's going to come out with. Yeah, you're going to want to check that out. And it's an old lady that's reading the story, so that will be really, really fun. Yeah, check that one out. I do also enjoy, I wanted to share with you a couple good books that you might want to check out for yourself. The Good Egg. I love these stories. They're just so cute. These eggs come to life, and they have really good personalities. And last year I got The Great Eggciting. So you might want to check those two books out. I've got a few stories in the month of April that I will be linking, but I also wanted to make you aware of, in addition to weather and rain and delicious pudding clouds that you can enjoy, and all the bunny holiday fun stories, that in the month of April, there is a special recognition day for the whole world. All around the world, people are recognizing Earth Day. We have a planet. We live on it. It's called the planet Earth. So we've got to take care of our planet because there's no better planet in the whole solar system. I'm going to be linking some information about our solar system. I've got lots of videos. There's science, there's true facts about our solar system, about visiting a trash dump, a landfill, and what really goes on there, and how much trash that all of us create all over the world, and how we can do better, and we can recycle, reuse, and reduce. And one special video, well, there's actually two that I did, is I had my son and my grandchildren read a really special story called Magic Trash, where this man he lives in Detroit, and he's an artist, and he took a bunch of trash and turned it into art. Yeah. So I'm going to be sharing with you his art. I actually went to Detroit, Michigan, visited the neighborhood that he used to live in where they displayed all his art. I think it's even still there. You can go there and see it. So this is the name of the book, The Magic Trash by Tyree Guyton. It's his art and his creation. And so I'm going to share, my son and my grandkids are going to read the story to you. That's one video. And then I'm going to share with you the real photographs of my visitation to the Outdoor Art Museum, because it's really important for us to value our planet, to love our environment, and to be thoughtful about what we're doing every day with trash and items that we're purchasing, and maybe reusing things a few times. So you're going to want to check these videos out. I am working really hard to get back on track with our learning videos, our reading videos, and soon and very soon. But I did want to share with you these really cool links that you can check out. And if it's raining in your location, don't forget to wear the rain gear. All right, until our soon time to get back on track with reading, as always, enjoy the spring weather, get out, and I'll see you real soon. Hop on over to a really good book